S-Series CNC drilling and tapping centers. The brand new high-speed, high-performance machine tool with dual workspaces of 180-degree rotation is the best tool for mass production of parts. The full travel column-type mechanical structure. The machine body is made of cast with high rigidity, providing the best stability under the operations of high-speed displacement and precision cutting. S3030 fast 3-axis rapid traverse. For example, X, Y, Z axis, 48 meters per minute each. S6040 fast 3-axis rapid traverse. For example, X, Y axis, 36 meters per minute. Z axis, 48 meters per minute. Directly spindle drive system, and the spindle is equipped with 4 precision angular contact ball bearings of P4 class and a thermostat to provide sufficient processing rigidity. S3030 cutting tool magazine with a turret head has a mechanical tool change system, light and fast. S6040 arm-type magazine can store a variety of cutting tools, which allows automatic selection of the shortest distance to the next selected cutting tools to save time of the tool change. The machine is designed to have dual workspaces. Table changing is performed by 180-degree rotation, and the rotation is motor-driven with cam positioning, allowing fast and precise movement for the most stable accuracy. The swing table is mainly used for processes that have short operating time fragments and require frequent shutdowns to exchange parts, in a way that one workspace is processing while the other is doing the part exchange. This will save time for manual load and unload the parts. The security software is designed and installed to prevent the machine from executing work table exchange commands during processing, so as to ensure fast processing and safety. The fully enclosed electrical case can effectively isolate heat and grease, and the electrical components are mostly from well-known German and Japanese brands, which can increase the machine stability and service life. The automatic flushing system, equipped with an optional chip conveyor, can effectively remove iron chips and is easy to clean. All cover protection sheet metal, integrated, beautiful and elegant, suitable for multitasking volume production of parts. Oil mist filtration system. The all cover protection sheet metal plus the oil mist collector can absorb and filter the oil mist generated by the cutting process, in line with environmental and safety requirements. Coolant through spindle. The cutting coolant pressurized by the high pressure pump spurts from the tip of the cutting tool through the spindle to directly cool off the cutting point of maximum heat and thus dramatically increase the cutting rate and extend the cutting tool life, as well as prevent the cutting tool and workpiece from deformation due to heat, so as to maintain accuracy. The machines of this series are suitable for the manufacturing of parts for automobiles, motorcycles, precision metal parts, medical equipment, electronics, and aerospace engineering.